He'll be the two modded EPL KONE hydraulic lifts at Toowong station. What? LOP is a door open button. That's very weird. It's been flipped the other way. Take a look at the door sensors there. It's a bit hard to see it, but it's... I don't know what that says. Go to platform. Cat view. Is that a security friend? I don't know what that indicator is. I wish I saw this one original. Could be 80s EPL KONE square or 90s EPL KONE round. So LOP looks like on this level, just, it's also a door open button. We'll go up to C. Red Dewhurst US 95, I think, but with number 1, 6 Toowong station, maximum load 680 kilograms, 10 persons. Now we'll go to the other.
An express truck will pass this station in approximately 1 minute on platform 3. Please stand behind the yellow safety line.
LOP on this level is Red Dewhurst US 95. That was very weak. There's the alarm. This one's darker. Take a look at the door sensors. They're different. Different door sensors. The Panachrome C3510. With number 2, Toowong station, maximum load 680 kilograms, 10 persons. Do a cab view. Here's a security friend. NGR party, which I can't show you because there's someone there. Put the phone on the floor and watch it. Going down. Takes a while. Thank you. Do you want to go out first? Watch it go. Takes a while to close. There it goes. That's it.